Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's me, Maddie, aka I forgot my YouTube channel name. Okay. Ellie's here too. You guys can't hear her voice because like I'm listening to her on my phone and I'm not recording on my phone, sadly. So we are on Treasure Hunting Simulator. I think that's what it's called. Is it treasure? Treasure chest? I don't know. I don't know what it is. And we are going to be building a massive hole today. I got a new backpack so it's 480, so I can hold 480 sand now. Yeah, it's quite. And we're going to be doing a digging contest. Who can dig the furthest? Alright. Right. Go! And you guys can only see my hole, and her channel can only see her hole. Okay, I can dig somewhere else. Okay, I'll have to do it somewhere else. Ella's gonna beat me, I know she is.
The detective clicks on the next video and observes Halliwell's taxi pull out of the gas station at 23:54:28. Could Halliwell be heading to wherever he's holding Sean?
Wrong hole! Ellie, wrong hole! Then you shouldn't have went to the surface! Treasure chest, treasure chest. Alright, so... Oh, what did she go? Okay. Where are you? Are you still digging? I know, I'm gonna win Queen. Alright, so... Yes, I'm gonna win. My voice sounds like a dying tone. So, what are we gonna talk about? The Ready Player One event? Anything? I haven't participated in the Ready Player One event. I don't want any of the keys. The keys are ugly and they look ugly on your head and they're a waste of time to get. And I'm not going to get the dang Dominus because I don't want a Dominus because they will look ugly on you too. I don't know why they're so expensive. Little ducky. Hashtag Duck Squad for life. I'm down 47 blocks. Down! Okay, I have a lot of... I'm exactly at 250. Where's my sister? Are you digging at my place or your place? Oop, did I go down the wrong hole? I don't know if I went down the right hole. Oh, wrong hole. Oh yeah, this one's mine.
Plus, control your ADT security system and smartphone features like locks.
Dun-dun-dun. I got the treasure chest. Hey, I got the treasure chest. Trying to act like his name so pumps it. Yeah, just like a little tank. It's everyday, bro, with the crappy Disney flow. Get out of the hole! Honey, I'm gonna go back in your home. Honey, get out of my hole!
I'm not eating here. I want to be a burger.
Honey, I'm gonna go in your island. And my screen is lagging. Oof, it always lags on. Okay, I'm just gonna build a hole right here. Just right here. Yes, Queen, I'm building a hole. I'm building a hole tonight. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I'm building a hole. I'm building a hole. Queen, I'm not digging. Queens, somebody's digging right beside of me, and I'm gonna jump in the hole. What should I call you, little munchkin brats? Oh, that's a good name. Oh, why am I here? And you know what? I'm just gonna spend my time doing this. Okay. Oh, I'm too lazy to dig this far. I need to sell my sand. I'm about to end the video here because I'm too lazy to dig today. So, should I name y'all Queen Potatoes or Queen Llama? Queen Llama Potatoes. Queen. Okay. I don't want to go back in this hole. Alright, hope you guys did enjoy this video. This video was ratchet. So, bye, Queen.